Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into the remarkable world of Manuka honey and its potential impact on heart health. And in this video, we'll be exploring the fascinating research surrounding Manuka honey's cardiovascular benefits. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our health and wellness content. Understanding Manuka honey. Let's begin by understanding what exactly Manuka honey is. Derived from the nectar of the Manuka bush, native to New Zealand and Australia, this honey is renowned for its distinctive properties. Rich in antioxidants and boasting antibacterial qualities, Manuka honey has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. The heart health connection. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, pun intended. Recent studies have piqued interest in Manuka honey's potential cardiovascular benefits. Its antioxidant prowess may help combat oxidative stress, a factor linked to heart diseases. Additionally, certain compounds found in Manuka honey could contribute to reducing inflammation, a critical player in cardiovascular health, cholesterol and blood pressure management. But that's not all. Research hints at Manuka honey's impact on cholesterol levels. Animal studies suggest that it might lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while raising good cholesterol, HDL. Moreover, some components may aid in blood vessel dilation, potentially assisting in regulating blood pressure, endothelial function and atherosclerosis. Let's talk about endothelial function. The endothelium, a vital layer of cells lining blood vessels, plays a significant role in heart health. Preliminary studies propose that Manuka honey could positively influence endothelial function, possibly reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque in arteries. Incorporating Manuka honey. If you're considering adding Manuka honey to your diet for potential heart health benefits, it's advisable to consult your healthcare professional. They can offer personalized guidance based on your unique health needs. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow health enthusiasts. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.